Come here.
Peeling your tomatoes.
Come here.
Pop it in some boiling
You
water.
don't need to be scared of Santa
Plunge it into
Claus.
cold water and
Santa's got a present for you. You gonna open it?
lightly chop your tomatoes.
Come here. I think this is for you.
Perfect for a Bloody Mary.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it snowman?
Snowman? Who's that? Who's that? And Tigger? It's all yours. Mm-hmm. It's your present.
You gonna open it?
Open.
Rip it open.
Put the pickle in your mouth or down on the side or
Let
something.
me hold it. I'll hold the pickle. Let me hold the pickle. Okay, open it.
Rip it open.
Rip it open.
Come on, open it. Let's see what it is.
Oh, come on, Keanu.
Come on, open it. What is it?
Rip it. Rip it open. Rip it.
What is it? What is it?
Rip it. I'll hold it. Rip it.
I found Santa, didn't I? Oh, it's drums. Wow.
We had to put through the other ones a couple years ago.
That is so cool.
Drums. Wow. Now you can make all kinds of noise.
What do you think? You like drums? You like drums?
What else is
Alright.
Santa's got something else? Hang
Come
on.
here.
More presents to open.
Well, I just put it in my stocking.
Come here.
Gotta look inside.
It's all yours.
It's all yours.
Go ahead.
Take your Christmas stocking.
It's in there.
It's in there.
You gotta open it in here. What's in there? What's in there?
It's afraid it's gonna jump out at him.
Alright, cat, quit it. What is that?
Bullet.
Ooh, cool, man.
Cars!
You got some cars now.
There's some awesome cars.
Right.
Yeah. What else you got in here? Reach in there.
What's in there?
Yeah.
Kitty.
Oh, yeah.
What else you got in there? You got all kinds of stuff
We
in
just
there.
dump it out.
Here, just take it and dump it out.
Dump it on the floor.
Dump it on the floor. Here. It's yours. That's all yours.
Just dump it in the floor. Ready? What is it?
Ooh.
Look at all
Oh,
that
jackpot.
candy. That's all candy.
Mm-hmm.
So Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of
Yeah, we got a
suckers.
whole 20 minutes over there.
20 minutes.
She just kept brushing this. Open another present, open another present. We were trying to open the presents in the wrap, you know, in the boxes or whatever, and get them out for the kids and stuff.
I don't know. She's in there.
Oh, she just kept brushing this.
Lots of suckers.
Can you say thank you?
I know, it wasn't a lot.
Suckers.
No, believe me, he's happy.
Is it free suckers?
Yep. Free suckers.
Oh, you got a
Christmas
rainbow of
suckers.
suckers,
Well,
don't you?
Like the
Well,
suckers
Mommy's
must
gonna
fall.
monitor the candy so we can put it
Yeah.
on the kitchen table.
Little suckers.
But Santa's got other places to go. You want to tell Santa thank you and give him a hug?
Go give Santa
Come
a hug.
here.
Say thank you, Santa.
Give him a
I
hug.
gotta go
That
to
was so
see
nice.
other little boys and girls today. Come here. Can I get a picture with you too? Huh?
You change it to a
Yeah.
picture thing?
Ah.